Pinakalusot na yan. Sige, let's the president of our guest from SGB and your sister and the police of the guest. Okay, ready? Wala pa? Elevator pa. Okay, elevator pa. Ano dito pa lisod? And they are using those mga cartons ba? You've seen them already last Wednesday. Okay, take a look at the Christmas tree. Take a look at how creative you are. Despite of the kulangang funds for the Christmas tree, but you made it very well. Very, of course, the reflection of the IT, ang mga CDs. Okay? So, basically, your Christmas trees are a reflection of what your department represents, or what your group represents. Okay? Is it ready? Lang pa? Nana? Okay. Check na mga tao tuloy. Nana? Okay. The all green Christmas tree. With gubang makaan. Okay, Nana? Kinanglan mong assistance? Okay, Nana? Nakita na ang kilid? Okay, Nana yun. Okay, with the bearer in Hawaiian attire. Ready? Okay. Sige, go. Pasensya na po. Kaya dako kaayo. Okay, belated. Let us welcome the representative from Executive Committee with her. Apple. With her occupational costume. A policewoman. Okay, go. Find your seats. Okay, please welcome the entry from FRFM-BMG. Okay, everybody, round of applause. Wow, okay. Naghan silang folder. Mga itong isana niya. Okay, so are we all excited?